find your way. I know now you'll never change your mind for something that matters to me.
Good morning and welcome back to another fall day in my life. Today we actually have such a fun day planned. We are going apple picking and I love apple picking. I'm so excited. So I figured I would make a whole dedicated fall vlog for it because I think it's going to be so fun. Right now I just made my bed, put on some fall candles and did my skincare, and now I'm gonna go make some breakfast. I'm really craving a coffee and a bagel, and I actually ordered one. So once the bagel comes, we're going to make it, and I think I'm gonna put butter on it today and make my little coffee. I just made my bagel. I want to give it a little taste test. It's literally just a plain bagel with some butter. But it's so good. And then for my coffee, I have this little bear mug that I got from Home Goods that I think is so cute. And I just did a Keurig pumpkin coffee and I put some milk and cinnamon in it, and this is really good too. So I'm gonna eat my breakfast and drink my coffee, and then we're gonna start getting ready to go apple picking. I just finished eating my breakfast and now I'm going to do my makeup for the day. I always get really annoyed because whenever I go apple picking, for some reason, my makeup never stays. I think it's because I start sweating and my makeup literally sweats off my face and then it just looks terrible. So I don't think I'm gonna do that much makeup. I say that every single year and then somehow that's not the case, but that is what I'm going to try to do this year. Like I said, we're going apple picking. Apple picking is one of my favorite fall activities to do. Comment down below if you prefer to go apple picking or pumpkin picking, because personally I love both, but I like apple picking more just because I feel like there's a lot of activities, at least at the orchard I go to, and me and my boyfriend kind of just make a whole day out of it. So we'll go to the apple farm, we'll go to see the animals, we'll go to the little apple farm store, and then we will go to dinner, and then when we get back we'll bake an apple pie. And if you know me, you know I love baking, so it's just something that I really look forward to every single year. And it was supposed to rain like all weekend and it's actually gonna be really nice now, so that's also a plus. As for outfits, I do want to wear something really cute. I'm not sure exactly what. I was thinking of doing overalls with boots, but I don't have long overalls. I only have short ones, and I don't know what the temperature is going to be today. I just know it's going to be sunny, so I'm gonna have to look at that and see if I have anything that'll look nice with short overalls, but I honestly don't know if I do because I ruined my turtleneck. I stained it everywhere on accident, so I don't have a turtleneck anymore, and originally my plan was to wear the overalls with a turtleneck, but I don't know if that's gonna look good. So if that doesn't work, I might wear a mini skirt with a little oversized sweater, or I might just wear jeans with boots. It depends on how I'm feeling after I look through my closet and see what would look cute for apple picking. I think the number one thing I am worried about isn't honestly even my makeup, it's my hair staying. I feel like my hair falls out so easily when I style it, no matter what product I put in it. I do have some products that do make it last a little longer, but other than that, especially in the humidity and the heat, it falls out so fast, and it doesn't fall out in a cute way. It falls out and just looks terrible. So I'm really hoping that that does not happen, at least until I get a picture or two, because my hair always looks terrible in my pictures when I go berry picking, apple picking, sunflower picking, because it never lasts and makes me mad every single time. I'm also kind of rushing because I'm late, so we are going through this very fast. I'm gonna use a little bit of this sparkling cider eyeshadow for my highlight. This palette is gorgeous. It reminds me of apples. It is called, I think, Apple in Love by Too Faced. I love it. I just got it and I use it every day. I'm obsessed with it. We're actually going to a different apple farm this year. We're going with my boyfriend's cousins and his family, and they are closer to down the shore, so we're meeting them halfway. I think the place we're going to is in Monmouth, New Jersey. I'll have the name of it on the screen, and apparently it's a really nice orchard, so I'm excited to see what they have there and see his family. family. The one that we used to go to, I believe, is called Ort Farms. I just finished my makeup. I'm just gonna put some of this Tarte Juicy Lip Plumper on, and now we are going to quickly do my hair. This is the first option I have. I think it looks really cute, especially paired with these little shoes. They're both from Cupshe. I just don't know if I'm gonna be too hot in this, but I do think this is a cute summer to fall transition and that it would be really cute for apple picking, so this is definitely an option. This is the next fit I have. I think this is adorable. This is from Cupshe, and the underneath turtleneck is from Garage. The only problem is the turtleneck's very cropped, but it's the only one I have that's not stained, so it's gonna have to work if I do wear this. And then I paired it with some white boots from Cupshe. I just don't want the boots to get ruined, and I don't know if the apple orchard is going to be muddy. I don't think it should be because it didn't rain, but this is definitely another outfit that I think could be really cute. I just might change my shoes. This is the final fit. Like I said, these little overalls are from Cupshe, and so are the boots, and the shirt I changed to a short sleeve shirt from Garage. I did my hair with the shark, and I think this looks really cute, and I'm really excited. And now me and my boyfriend and his family are gonna drive to the apple orchard.
Are turning brown, red and yellow.
We just finished apple picking and pumpkin picking, and we came to a store which was so good, but I'll give a full update later. And now we're going to a diner and a flea market. We just got back, and oh my gosh, this was the most perfect day. I'm actually filming this on September 21st, which I believe is the first day officially of fall. And it was honestly such a good day, such fall vibes, and I am so happy that we chose to go today, even though it was unintentional for it being the first day of fall. I just think it officially started off the fall season so good, and it was so nice, and I had a lot of fun. Like I said, we went to an apple orchard, and they actually had pumpkin picking as well, which was just amazing. The pumpkins were beautiful. I honestly have never seen pumpkins look that ripe, and I am very excited because I think they're gonna last a while, and when it gets closer to October, we are going to carve them. So definitely stay tuned for that vlog. Then we went across the street to another place called Delicious Orchards. It's basically just a store, but it had every fall item that you can think of, and we got a lot of stuff. And then we just went to a diner and a flea market because they had a pickle stand there, and I love pickles, so we had to go and try their pickles, and they were so good. And then we just drove home, and now I'm actually going to bake an apple pie. Every single year, me and my boyfriend do a tradition where we go apple picking with his family, and then we come home and make an apple pie. And I'm really excited because the apples look perfect for baking a pie, and I actually never tried pie. I love baking. I bake all the time, especially in the fall and the winter, but I don't usually try my stuff, and I've been really prioritizing trying it this year because I'm trying to try new things and really broaden my palette and not be as picky. So I am going to try pie this year, and I'm very excited. So we are going to go inside and make our apple pie. I don't know if I'm gonna watch Gilmore Girls while I do it because I am going to make it with my boyfriend. So we'll probably watch like college football or something, but still very fall vibes, and I'm very excited.
We fell in love in the winter, but I miss you most in the fall. 3 years, 11 months together after one night in Montreal. Red leaves are in the breeze of Nashville, and now I share this bed with someone new. Something's in the way the sunlight's hitting, it's got me thinking about you.
now the next day and I finally finished making my pie. It took a little bit longer than I thought it was going to when I was baking it, but honestly I'm so happy that it did because I think it's the perfect consistency and it tastes amazing. I have a texture problem when it comes to food, so I really didn't think I was going to like the texture of the apples because I thought they were going to be a little bit more mushy, but honestly I really like the flavor and I think that overpowers the mushiness of the apples. I wouldn't say that I would have this all the time, but with some vanilla ice cream and that flavor of the apples with the cinnamon, it is the perfect consistency and really reminds me of fall, which is so exciting and I'm very proud of myself. I am gonna try a little bit of this crust right now, or I should say retry a little bit of this crust. It's just so good. I would say that the apples alone are not my favorite, but they do have a little bit of a crunch to them. So together, like I was saying, I do think it is the perfect consistency of crunch and flavor, and it's not too mushy for my liking. So overall, a very fun day, and I am very pleased with how everything went. I wanted to show you guys a few of the items that we ended up getting from the Delicious Orchard store because they look amazing. So as you guys know, I love baking, and the first thing I got is this cinnamon sugar donut mix. These look so good. I definitely want to bake these in one of my vlogs coming up. I think they're going to be amazing, and I have a donut maker, so that should be very useful as well. The next thing we ended up getting is a loaf of bread. The place that we went to literally had everything you can think of, and it was really cool because a lot of it was homemade and the bread is very good. Next we got this chunky apple jam, and honestly I didn't try this yet, but it looks amazing and I feel like this would be really good, especially on a bagel. The next thing we got are some apple cider donuts. I can't have these because I am allergic to them, but my boyfriend tried them and he said that they're amazing. And the same thing with these. These are apple cider donuts and my boyfriend's mom tried these. And then the last thing we ended up getting are chocolate chip cookies. My boyfriend's cousin tried these and she said that they were very good. So we are excited to try those as well. That's everything we got from the store. Overall, apple picking was really fun and I really enjoyed going with Chad and his family, and I'm very excited that we went on a good day. Honestly, I was talking about how my hair always gets messed up and my makeup always melts off my face, and I want to say it was like the perfect day. I think my outfit had a lot to do with it as well. My shoes didn't get muddy, I wasn't hot at all, I wasn't sweating, my hair stayed for the majority of the day, and my makeup stayed pretty good as well, so I was very happy and very pleased. So it was a great day to start off fall and I'm very happy. It's actually a lot later now and I'm having a little snack. These are the ghost shaped sugar cookie dough, ready to bake but okay to eat just like this, little Pillsbury ghost cookies. These are my favorite. I love these. And I changed my outfit because we're actually going to see a movie. Wow, these are so good. It's freezing at night, but warm in the middle of the day. So I am wearing this little Halloween Town University sweatshirt and some pants, and we're gonna go see a movie. I feel like this is very fall themed, and I'm very excited. It's actually the next day now because the movie ended so late and it's about to rain for like 8 days straight. So it's very gloomy outside, it's very crisp outside, and I like the crisp weather, but I'm not liking the gloominess part. Even though a part of the gloomy days are a part of fall, I feel like I just really like the crisp feeling, if that makes sense, but I do still love when it's sunny. But when it rains, it really does remind me of a spooky fall night, and I do enjoy it sometimes, just not today. But I wanted to come on and just end off the video. I did get 2 little phone cases that just came in and I wanted to show you guys those. But first I'm going to talk about the movie. So I actually went to go see Transformers. I really wanted to see Beetlejuice, but my boyfriend did not want to see that. So we compromised and saw what he wanted to see. I'm just kidding. I was fine with seeing Transformers. It was a really good movie, and I feel like going to the movies at night, especially during the fall, just really reminds me of those spooky vibes. I don't know why. I couldn't tell you. That's just really the vibe that I get, and it was a very wholesome night. And then I literally came home and fell asleep the second I got home because it was very late and I had work today. And now it is 7 p.m. and as you guys know, I got the new iPhone 16 Pro Max in Desert Titanium, and right now I have this little ghost case on it and it's from Amazon, which I love. I feel like it gives such fall vibes. But I also got 2 little cases from Velvet Cavier, which I'm obsessed with. So the first one I got is this one right here. I think this is so cute and adorable. And then the second one I got is this little case case right here. I think this is adorable too. This really reminds me of fall as well, and I'm obsessed with it. I'm definitely going to use both of these all fall long. I feel like this one could be used not seasonally, and this one, since it has little cats and pumpkins on it, would be used throughout probably like October or November, and then I'd probably switch to a Christmas case. I really love this. I think that the quality of this is so good. I don't know if I said this, but it's from Velvet Caviar. I don't even know if that's how you say it or if it's Caviar, but I love them and I wanted to show you guys those. That is going to be it for this video. If you stayed up until this point of the video, comment this emoji down below and I'll see you really soon in my next video. Bye.